Hi, we're the team 144 and we're working on the project Trading Macroeconomic Models. The goal of this project is to define, identify, classify and exploit regimes and models. And in order to do that, we are going to identify what are the key market variables and which effect they can cause and how to exploit them. This project will be in collaboration with BNY, Bank of New York, and what is expected at the end of this project is a Python code, a summary paper which will explain what we did and how we did it, and also the backtesting of our strategy. Like this, they will see the result that we had with this strategy and how to implement them. And also the team is a team of 5 students. And that's all. Thank you. I hope you got everything, and bye.